Hello friends, I am Dr. Dinesh Mittal. I am consultant pediatrician in Rohini. I am associated with the Jagur Golden Hospital and Saroj Hospital. I did my undergraduation and post-graduation from Delhi, from Maulana Azad Medical College, and I have done a lot of work in PICU, NICU and general pediatrics in Maharaja Sen Hospital also. Today I will be talking about diarrhea or loose motion. What is diarrhea and what is loose motion? As per World Health Organization report, at least 3 loose or liquid stool is called diarrhea, or any amount which is abnormal for the child is diarrhea. What are the causes of it? Diarrhea may be caused by various organisms like viruses, like bacteria or parasites also. In some amounts in children, when the child eats lot of sweet things, him also may pass the loose stools. It is acquired from the contaminated food and water. When we eat or we drink infected water, we get diarrhea. Diarrhea may be watery diarrhea or some bloody diarrhea. So why we are so much worried about diarrhea? Diarrhea is a leading cause of death in our country. Lot of kids who gets diarrhea may fall into dehydration. So you can prevent it. It is very easy to prevent it. What you have to do, you start with the ORS, oral rehydration salt, which we call it as. There are certain commercial ORS which is available into the market. You just buy a pack of it, you just make it as per the instructions given, and if it is not available at all, you can give the homemade ORS like namak chini ka ghol, like dal ka pani, like chawal ka pani, like any soups. Okay, so you can give any amount of the water with some salts in it. It makes the homemade ORS. So ORS is very important. Along with the ORS, you can give the zinc, which reduces the output of the stools in it. Now you can treat it at home very easily, but in certain danger signs, you must consult your doctor. When the child gets lethargic, when he is very irritable, when he is listless, when he is not speaking, or when he is not passing urine, you must consult your doctor nearby. Or you can consult me through library.com, from where I am available 24/7 through video chats, through chats, and even through the phone calls also. Thank you very much.